Sweet! Smoke! Shit, where all the homies at? Fuck they at? Damn. Fuck it then.
Hey.
Carl, no time to chit-chat. Been seeing a Seville family beer, work out on the street, and the boys don't like it. I'm pinned down in Seville hood, and we need a ride out of here. Pronto.
Oh, for sure, man. Hang in there.
Drop by Emmett and get heated.
Move, bitch! That's my brother. Get a car, we'll meet you out front.
Unplug your assholes and go already!
I had sushi last night.
Dude, it's totally awesome.
Bye now.
See ya, lady.
Piss off, saddlebags.
Alright, mate. What's up, sugar?
Seville family on our case, nigga! CJ
Shit is
out
crazy, bro. We gotta bring the families back together. Yo, Dick getting us both in trouble again,
I
sweet.
ain't gonna say I told you so. Man, Seville family's gone too far this time. Man, you gotta ease up some.
Green blasting on green ain't no way to run the families.
Don't worry, girl. I don't drive as bad as CJ. She got a sister, CJ. You want her number? I'll see you inside, baby. Man, this set tripping is killing the families. You did good back there.
Hey, I'm a Johnson boy.
Hey, I got unfinished business. Big love.
Why my order? Do I know you, homie?
I invented all of it.
Baby, what does that cute tattoo mean?
Enough with this bullshit, lady.
Y'all all square.